Hello guys, welcome to another video, and in this video I'm come for lunch at Mom's Recipes. It's a restaurant in Pilar, and who is with me? None other than my mother here. So say hi to her.
Hello.
This restaurant is located in Pilar and has a decent parking area to park your vehicles. At the entrance, you'll see a Lambretta scooter and the menu specials. Upon entering this restaurant, you definitely get a nostalgic vibe looking at the wall decor comprising of ornate oyster windows, old churches, temples, etc. Ranchi Kood means kitchen, and here you get to see the food preparation. Now remember one thing, do reserve your table before coming here on weekends in order to save long wait times, as the crowds coming here are in large numbers. The bar looks pretty fancy with the lighting work. Here you can try their gentlemen, whiskey based or beachside, gin based cocktails, and among mocktails the Ampanna. On the menu, the recommendations I heard of are mainly seafood based and include cheese crab baguettes and prawns dangar as starters. I ordered a beer while my cool mother had a breezer and were pretty much relaxed with the ambience this place had to offer, being a Goan themed restaurant.
Find the place. Yeah. Instagram videos, reels. See the wall there.
We had ordered the squids golden fried, which came quickly at our table with a mayo dip. As I had my first bite, I began judging the flavors of this item with other restaurants I had tried before.
Hey, so far the meal is going good. We have ordered squids, batter fry here, or golden fry, and we find it a bit soft, but the taste is very good. And we'll be ordering paneer cutlets here, which is a known item. So yeah.
And with time our drinks and squids got over. Now a goof up happened. My mother is very fond of paneer, and so she decided to order another starter item, that is paneer crunchy cutlets, much after us already ordering our main course, which was a chonak fish thali for me and a chicken thali for her. And that's how you will see all these three items come together.
How do you find the cutlets?
Wow, yummy.
This I think has some vermicelli fried on top, and the taste is very good of it. It tastes like chicken cutlets actually, although it's paneer.
We then began with our respective thalis, while there were at least 7 to 8 adults waiting outside and looking time and again at us, waiting for their turns for a free table.
So far the taste of the thali is really good. I like the spices and flavor of the fish, the umand, and there are a lot of items here. Actually I wouldn't say a lot of items, but there's umand, that is curry. There is tisrio or oyster. There is gram sambar. Then there is kismor, that is dried prawns. There's some veggie, and dahi there is, and 1 sweet of grams. And here a paratha.
The contents of the chicken thali, which I forgot to mention, included biryani rice, chicken shakuti, chicken sukka, potato bhaji, paratha, papad, and a sweet. The prices of all the items ordered are on screen. I hope this video added some value to you all. Stay part of this travel and lifestyle channel by following it. Thanks for your time. Bye.